ang cause ho ng massive flooding dito ay volume of rain at di na kaya po ng river channels ninyo?
Yeah, yung mga flood control project, Ted, I think substandard yung mga flood control projects in that area.
Opo. And
Yeah.
do you think it's proper din ano po na ma-check din po ito ng Secretary Vince papunta nila diyan?
Oh, definitely, Ted. You know, I'm furious. You know, 26,600 plus flood control project in Cebu, and yet we're suffering from massive flooding here, flash flood. So, you know, that's enough. People who did this should be held accountable also.
So, kasi po kahit na wala pa si Tino, di ho ba nagbababaha na sa Cebu?
Hindi ganito yung Ted, you know, never in the history. You know, by far, this is the worst, flash flood caused by a typhoon that ever happened in the history of Cebu. Ito yung pinakagrabe. Actually, Ted, mas grabe pa tong Tino kaysa Odette. Kasi yung Odette, it was the wind. Itong Tino, flash flood.
Yes, ma'am. We can see the visuals.
Yes.
Opo, talaga nakakakilabot, no, itong mga visuals nga po nito. Parang Yolanda image din po, no, nung tumama ito sa Leyte Samar region. Governor, si Secretary Vince Dizon ho ba nagsabi na pupunta diyan?
Oh, yes. The last earthquake naman, sama naman siya sa presidente. So I'm pretty sure. And I'm going back to what I said to you earlier, Ted, no? Itong Tino, talaga it's even worse than Undoy. Do you remember that typhoon Undoy?
Yes, ma'am. Opo.
Yeah, itong mas grabe pa. Yeah, but yes, I'm sure Secretary Vince will be here. And he's been very helpful to us. Yung election during the earthquake. It's been very helpful.
Opo, yes ma'am. Okay, so Governor, sa ngayon po, ilan ang pagkakaalam po ninyo ng mga flood control projects diyan na dapat suriin?
We really don't have the complete details on that, although we have submitted reports to ICI with regards to that. But one thing for sure, two things I can tell you na it started mga 2019 yung first document na nakita 2019 at saka substandard yung mga flood control project.
Mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, saan ka pa? Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito na tayo sa True FM.
Mga kapatid, mag-subscribe and follow po kayo sa social media accounts ng True Network PH. Yan po kami. Hanapin nyo lang True Network PH, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast. Mapa Apple or Spotify man yan, mahahanap nyo kami. Lahat ng mga napapanood at napapakinggan nyo po sa programa, nasa social media accounts namin yan. So, paano mga kapatid? See you sa social media!